Have you ever felt your legs suddenly giving out when you walk? Or maybe you've noticed yourself walking slower, using furniture for support, or feeling unsteady on stairs. If that sounds familiar, then you need to hear this because after age 60, even a few days of not walking enough can trigger something terrifying called leg atrophy, where your muscles literally shrink, your strength disappears, and your risk of falling skyrockets. And one fall, just one, can change your life forever. A broken hip, months of recovery, loss of independence. It's a nightmare no one deserves to face. But here's the good news. Your body can still recover. Yes, even at 60, 70, or 80, you can rebuild your strength, restore your balance, and walk again with confidence. Because today, I'm going to show you 3 simple science-backed exercises that have helped thousands of seniors regain strong, stable legs, all without going to the gym. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, which country are you watching this video from and how old are you? We'll personally reply to every single comment because your journey matters to us. Let's start simple but powerful with 2 exercises designed for seniors. Imagine you're sitting comfortably in a chair, both feet flat on the ground. Now, lift your toes up, hold for a second, then press them down as you raise your heels. Perform this movement slowly and in a controlled manner, like a gentle wave moving through your ankles. This small movement activates your calves and tibialis anterior, crucial muscles for walking. A Harvard Medical School study shows that daily ankle movements improve blood circulation, reduce swelling, and prevent stiffness, especially for those who sit for long hours. To perform, sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and hands on your thighs. Lift your toes up, then your heels, repeating slowly 10 to 20 times per set. Start with 1 set of 10 reps, then gradually build up to 3 sets of 20 reps daily. This exercise targets your calves, ankle stabilizers, and shin muscles, recharging your walking battery 1 slow pump at a time. Next, we're standing up for the standing calf raises, a stability builder. Hold on to a sturdy chair or kitchen counter for support. Rise up onto your toes, pause, then slowly come back down. This exercise teaches your legs to support your body, building strength and stability. A University of Michigan study found that older adults practicing daily calf raises improved walking speed and balance by 30%. Strong calves act like shock absorbers, making every step smoother, safer, and more controlled. Stand tall with feet shoulder-width apart, hold support, raise onto your toes, and slowly lower down without rushing. Begin with 2 sets of 10 reps, rest 1 minute, and work up to 3 sets of 20 reps daily. These exercises enhance balance, reduce fall risk, and increase endurance for longer walks, promoting independence. Let's start simple but powerful. Imagine you're sitting comfortably in a chair, both feet flat on the ground. Now, lift your toes up, hold for a second, then press them down as you raise your heels. Slowly, controlled, like a gentle wave moving through your ankles. This movement may look small, but it wakes up 2 of the most important muscles for walking, your calves and your tibialis anterior, the front of your shin. According to a study from Harvard Medical School, even small daily ankle movements can improve blood circulation, reduce swelling, and prevent stiffness, especially for those who sit for long hours. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight, hands on your thighs. Lift your toes up, then your heels. Repeat slowly 10 to 20 times per set. Recommended duration: start with 1 set of 10 reps, then build up to 3 sets of 20 reps daily. Muscles targeted: calves, ankle stabilizers, shin muscles. Benefits for seniors: improves circulation, reduces swelling, strengthens foot lifting muscles, prevents trips and falls. At first, you may feel sore, shaky, maybe even frustrated. But every day you'll notice small victories: standing up with less effort, walking a little longer, moving without fear. And that's how transformation begins. It's not magic, it's consistency. So here's your goal: seated ankle pumps, 3 sets of 20, standing calf raises, 3 sets of 20, pillow chair squats, 3 sets of 10. When you can do that, your legs will be stronger, your balance steadier, and your confidence unstoppable. You'll walk not with fear, but with pride. If this video helped you, please share it with your friends and family. You never know who might be silently struggling to walk again. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more senior fitness and health tips. And remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength. because every small step you take brings you one step closer to freedom.